My name's Ben Bazzusto. I'm one of the project managers based in Cromwell. Well, with the drones at the moment, what we're doing is conducting maintenance surveys of our 33 kV lines, using the drones to basically inspect the power lines, inspect the assets that they're mounted on, the poles, the cross arms, the insulators, and so on, just to do a maintenance check and ensure that they're still good to carry on and perform their function. Essentially at the moment we've partnered with Preformed Line Products, who are a company that do these assessments various means, by helicopter or by drone, and this instance by drones.
So I'm Alan James from Preformed Line Products. I head the inspection services business for PLP in New Zealand. The Aurora team is actually a great team to work with. They really focus on getting the outcomes that they want for using this technology. So it's really exciting that we can be involved with Aurora in using the technology to understand what their assets are doing.
We've actually done considerable geographical range from Roxburgh, Ettrick, up to Omakau and Lauder, all the way out to Wanaka, Queenstown, Roaring Meg Line, and then we've come down into Dunedin. We've done sort of North Dunedin. We were on today in Mount Grand.
Privacy is very important to public, and we're very mindful of that and understand that. So we don't take photographs into windows. We take downward facing photographs focusing on the asset itself, not on people's properties. Communication with the community and engaging with the community to let them know that we're in the area. 99% of the community are very, very positive with the drone performing the survey. The beauty is the Aurora team don't have to switch the power off to go and inspect something.
I think it's proven its worth, and actually the speed as well, that we get the high quality reports back from PLP, which then allows us to formulate our next year's maintenance plan in a very timely manner. So I see the drones being almost a permanent fixture in going forward, that we should be using these more often.